What's up, guys? If you guys have been ordering ammo lately, you know as well as I do that it's hit or miss, man. I've been trying like PSA, classic firearms, not really cheaper than dirt. That kind of pissed me off. I vowed to never buy from them, but I did buy from cheaper than dirt some AR mags for my Maxim Defense 7.62 because nobody else had them. So they had them, and plus I got some bonuses, I think, on accident. I don't know. I got some extra freaking BCGs. I got a couple BCGs, nice BCGs too. Like one was like a nickel boron coated. The other one was phosphate, Spikes Tactical. I got a Radiant Raptor charging handle, which I put on my 7.5. This was, and some sling attachment, but this was all free. Obviously an accident. Well, here it is. My June 3rd classic firearms order. After I was bragging about how fast they were, that's what I get. Yeah, shit happens. Red Army 7.62 by 39. Let's see what this shit looks like. How's it packaged? How's it? I think I had some Red Army before. This looks like your typical 7.62. Nothing special. No hollow points. Grain. I don't know. 122 grain. Alright, that works. And I got more coming this week. Okay, let's talk about time factor here. This Tula here that I got from 122 grain I got from PSA. I just ordered some more because I literally ordered like on Friday and got it Monday morning, so crazy fast. This over here, this is like 400 rounds. This is 360. This over here, this Red Army here, also 122 grain, ordered on June 3rd from Classic Firearms, and I just got it today. Yeah, today. So I don't know what happened there, but Classic Firearms usually is not that long. You look at the Tula packaging, of course, it's always nice and pretty. I really don't give a shit, you know, but it's, you know, if you're into packaging, where the Red Army is just your typical, I mean, it's the same damn stuff. Let's put them right next to each other. I mean, it's the same. Both 122 grain, nothing. Maybe velocity might be a little different, not sure. And then as a little bonus, when I from old cheaper than fucking whatever place is called. I hate that. I don't even like seeing their name. The place that always price gouges. But yeah, they sent me a Spikes Tactical BCG and a nickel boron BCG. Some sling attachment, and then, which was good. I had just a regular Radiant Raptor, baby, the best charging handle you can have. Hey, one finger. Get one if you don't have one. It's night and day compared to a regular charging handle. You gotta have one. Radiant Raptor is actually what came on the Maxim Defense. But for a $2,000 gun, I guess it better come with a good charging handle. So yeah, so that was the ammo I got in. That's about all I want to talk about. I mean, and if you're curious, like whoever I order from, is it either like PSA, Classic Firearms, who else? Who is it usually? PSA, Classic Firearms, and Lucky Gunner. Yeah, Lucky Gunner on occasion. But my two favorite would be classic Firearms and PSA, as long as they have the stuff in stock, you know. But that's, you know, Lucky Gunner. I get charged tax now, I guess, because they have a place in Florida, so, you know, the tax kind of sucks when you're ordering a few $100 worth of shit. It adds up along with shipping. So that's that. So until next time, guys, be safe out there, and we'll see ya.
Oh. Might help if you charge it. That's better. I think they're going to call a ceasefire on us.
Already out. It's 6:30.
He's done.
Meanwhile, it's infested with scammers and bloodsuckers and liars who are able-bodied, and they just don't want to stop the help.